How to rotate PDF page in Adobe Acrobat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. First of all, open your Adobe Acrobat application on your device. Once you open the application, make sure you are logged into your account. And once after logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, click on this Create button at the top left corner of your screen. When you move the cursor to it, you'll be able to see Create a PDF option. Simply click on it. And now you'll be presented with this screen. Here click on Select Files option right here and then select a file from your device. Once you open the PDF file, now in order to rotate it, you can simply right click on it and then here you'll be able to see the rotate icon. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to rotate the page. But make sure once you click on it, it will show you this pop-up where you will need to subscribe to the premium version of Adobe Acrobat in order to use this feature. But you'll also get the option to rotate this page in free of cost. For that again, right click on it and then from this menu here at the bottom you'll be able to see Rotate View Clockwise. Simply click on it and then you will see you have successfully rotated the PDF page. If you want to rotate it again, simply right click on it and select the same option, Rotate View Clockwise. By doing so, you'll be able to rotate it in 360. So by following these steps, you should be able to rotate PDF page on Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.